Are you getting married in the Lone Star State? If so, don't forget to think about your name change. Not every bride changes her name, but 88% of women in the United States do elect to change their names after marriage. If you're confused about your options or the process, don't worry. We have all the insider tips and tricks you need to easily change to your married name in Texas. Texas married name change options. As someone getting married in Texas, you can keep your maiden name, take your spouse's last name, hyphenate your last names, take two last names without a hyphen, or take your maiden name as a middle name. Uncertain which new last name is best for you? Answer a few questions at the Married Name Game. Your ideal option will be calculated based on key life indicators and your personal style. Texas Marriage License Tips. Once you've decided upon the name change that works best for you, the next step is filing for your marriage license. In Texas, you are not required to write your intended married name on the application, so no worries there. Once you get married, the county clerk's office will issue you a certified marriage certificate. This is the legal document you need to file your federal and state name change forms. We highly suggest purchasing 1 or 2 additional certified copies so you can file multiple name change forms. Texas Married Name Change Forms and Advice. Next up is finding and completing the appropriate name change forms to update your name with the Social Security Administration, the State Department for your new passport, the IRS, the U.S. Postal Service. The Social Security Administration will process your form and issue your new Social Security card within 2 weeks. Please note that while your name changes, your Social Security number will remain the same. The State Department will process your request and issue your new U.S. passport within 5 to 6 weeks, unless you elect to pay for expedited service. After filing with the federal agencies, you will need to file your state-level name change forms. Texas was one of the only states that didn't have a name change form for you to complete. But now it does. Simply bring your completed DMV form, current driver's license, your certified marriage certificate, proof of residence such as a utility bill or paycheck, and $11 for the processing fee. You will also need to update your name with the Voter Registration Bureau and on your vehicle title or lease. The last step before you are an official Mrs. is to notify all of your banks, credit cards, insurances, mortgages, and service providers of your new married name. Many times you can call these offices to request your name change. Or you can send a notification letter requesting the new name on your account. The simple name change solution. If the name change process seems overwhelming or like it would take some of the fun out of your newlywed bliss, we have good news.
MissNowMrs is the easiest way to go from Miss to Mrs. Our easy name change app or online name change service condenses the tedious 13-hour process into minutes.
You then choose whether you want to print your forms or have us print them for you. We're happy to mail them to you along with pre-addressed, pre-posted envelopes. Our goal is to make your new beginning easier.